पैसे बच गए,
Yes.
पैसे बच गए।
Hi guys, welcome to Green Travelers, and we are heading to Dubai. This trip is quite a awaited trip. हम लोग को काफ़ी इंतज़ार था इस ट्रिप का। बहुत कुछ होने वाला है, बहुत सारी एक्साइटमेंट है, बहुत सारी नर्वसनेस थी। सुबह हम दोनों ही आई डोंट नो बट स्टिल वी वर फीलिंग लिटिल नर्वस। मे बी 2 साल बाद हम लोग इंटरनेशनल ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं।
Yeah, but it's nervousness because not we are traveling
Because of the COVID guidelines.
Yeah, not traveling internationally just because of there are so many restrictions. पता नहीं चलता इन लोग के रूल्स कब चेंज हो जाते हैं।
Every day there is a new route, so you may be updated, but you can come to airport and you can see that oh rules तो change हो चुके हैं। ऐसे ही हुआ हमारे साथ, but we came to know for Emirates flight they have cancelled the test for today.
पैसे बच गए।
Yes, and do you know how much they are charging for the rapid antigen test? They are charging 4,500 for one test, which is now cancelled. So at least for today, for us. So I don't know about you guys. You need to check on that. Maybe.
She is sounding really happy, but I don't know 2 घंटे के बाद they can say हाँ अभी हम लोग कर रहे हैं, तो like they are not sure about this thing, you know.
नहीं, I'm sure कि टेस्ट नहीं होने वाला है. This is how we are surviving it. We are heading for immigration right now. मेरे को श्योर है मयूर को अंदर नहीं लेने वाले हैं. They already know that ये बंदा वहाँ जाके क्या गुल्की लाने वाला है. Finally, after 7-8 hours, it's time to board the plane. I'll see you soon, Mumbai. And yes, हम लोग पहली बार एमिरेट्स से फ्लाई करने वाले थे. And you know, it's kind of a premium flight. So अगर आप दुबई जा रहे हैं, you should prefer Emirates because आपको एक्सपो 2020 की फ्री टिकट्स मिलती हैं. प्लस आपको बहुत सारे अट्रैक्शंस में 20 to 30% डिस्काउंट या फिर फ्री एंट्री भी मिलती है. So you should prefer Emirates flight over other because the rate is almost same. Just landed. I'm heading for the test. Look at that.
This is fucking cool.
It's super fucking cool. हमारा कोविड टेस्ट और इमिग्रेशन दोनों हो चुका है. नाउ वी आर हेडिंग टू टेक आवर लगेज आउटसाइड द एयरपोर्ट बिकॉज द टैक्सी इनसाइड द एयरपोर्ट इज लिटिल कॉस्टलियर एंड आवर होटल गाय told us that you come out and take the taxi. So we are not trying metro right now because we have luggage, a big bag, and Mayur is super tired as usual. So yes, we are just walking outside.
No, she is not telling a full story. The thing is, the metro station is still 10 or 15 minutes away from our hotel. Okay, so it's not a point to take a metro and then again take a taxi. So that's why we are taking taxi.
Also, to reach our hotel, we need to change 2 metros.
Yeah.
So it doesn't make sense basically. So we got the taxi from the airport, but I guess it was little costly. We paid around 65 dirhams, and otherwise the meter starts from 5 dirhams, but at the airport the meter starts from 25 dirhams. So yeah, that's the difference. Finally we arrive in our hotel. The room is beautiful, but not a big good view as such. That's the view. They say it's a pool view, and that's the pool. Yeah, that's the pool on the mezzanine floor. But I like the Dubai, what do you say, Bar Dubai feel over here. तो कल रात की नींद आज दोपहर को पूरी करने के बाद अब वक्त हो गया है बाहर निकलने का. Our friends are here, त्रिपुरा एंड साहिल, जो कि यहीं पे रहते हैं. सो वी आर गोइंग आउट विद देम. और हम लोग सबसे पहले बर दुबई लोकल मार्केट शॉपिंग के लिए जा रहे हैं. Hi guys, how long we are meeting after years? Yes, the first thing we are going to do is to head to electronic market, and we have come to this place called City Choice, and this is kind of our first purchase for our YouTube channel, that's GoPro 10. We are so excited to meet Sahil and Tripura, so much to talk.
So you have to come here during Diwali time. It's full. I mean, not top notch. It's like everyone does their own. So it's like
but
full.
Good craze.
Yeah, it's quite a lot. But if you want to see really good firecrackers, you have to go for the official shows. Those are really well.
Yeah, Burj.
Yeah, Burj, or during New Year's and any festival, it's there in many places. अभी firecrackers किधर नहीं है क्या? So we'll have dinner now, and then I'll drop you guys to the hotel.
Okay.
Then we'll go home. In ancient Egypt, they used to worship these. What do you say?
Dog, cows.
Yeah, it's like a jackal.
Okay.
This mall is called what?
Wafi.
We are heading to a Lebanese restaurant, and after that we are going to go back to our hotel, get ready and head back to party hard. Wow. I have not seen so much veg, good food.
Yes.
So right now Sahil is gonna drop us to the hotel, and then we are gonna get ready, and then they are gonna come back and pick us up, and then we are going to head back to party.
Full of South Indian. But Dubai is full of North Indian.
North Indian.
Mostly the old time Indian people live in this area, either of these neighborhoods. So either you'll get all your Indian food, you know,
Because of the South Indian.
because of all the Indians. Like इधर पीछे ये building के पीछे है Yoko Sizzler.
Oh,
So
okay.
all your Bombay
Indian brands.
Yeah, like Sukh Sagar and every brand.
I
you
even
can
saw Saravanan.
Yes, Saravana Bhavan. There's
That was
like,
next to our hotel.
There's like 10 of them in Dubai.
Ah,
Saravana Bhavan, there's many because of so much South Indians. no?
yeah.
Then, like if you see in this line also, you see a lot of Indian restaurants.
Yeah.
You have Chappan. So many Indian restaurants. Get on to Sheikh Zayed,
Sheikh Zayed.
which is one of the main roads of the city where you see these tall buildings. Like some of the tallest in the world. The beach. The beach is also very nice in Dubai. I mean,
Yeah,
it's very
even I've
hot,
heard.
But
Yeah.
the beach is very nice.
And are you allowed to be at the beach in the like evening? I'm sure, but late evening, like
Yeah.
night.
I mean, you cannot go to swim
Yeah, but you
after
can walk.
dark. Yeah, because they have lifeguards everywhere. So
Okay.
after dark you can't swim,
Huh.
but you can be at the beach. Into kind of the new part of the city, you can say.
Okay.
In one way. This building you see with the orange light.
Yeah.
This is
Yeah, I
the
can
Trade
see
Center.
Burj.
Yes, yeah, that's Burj.
Are you? Did you see?
This is the frame like side में.
Yeah, frame is there.
Oh.
Yeah, the frame is right here. So if you want to go to the frame also, I think taxi is easier, but otherwise you have to get off at this metro station and walk.
Yeah.
It's a bit of a walk. So this trade center is the first tall building of Dubai. So when I was growing up in Dubai, that's the only building in the city. Only tall building. Rest are all only 10 stories or smaller. So this was the tallest building for many years. For like 30-40 years, this was the tallest building.
Okay.
Then after that, this city started building like really tall. So now we are coming on to Sheikh Zayed Road. Sheikh Zayed Road is the main road that goes to Abu Dhabi. So if you stay on this road, you will reach Abu Dhabi. Yeah, but all Dubai Marina, all this is on this road.
On this.
दुबई मरीना के बीचेस ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं, right?
The Dubai Marina is also nice, but the thing is that it's quite crowded. So udhar ka beaches is not like, it's a nice beach, but it's not very popular as a beach. It's very urban area. So there are some other beaches near this Burj Al Arab, which are more famous for open beaches where people go to swim.
Okay.
In Dubai Marina, not many people go to swim. It is more for the view.
Okay.
Yeah, there you can see Burj. There.
Yeah.
And this road is named.
Okay.
He was the first president of the country. Each one of the Emirates was a different, like a country, but not really formal. Then these 7 of these small states joined together and made a country. The oil in all this region was discovered after the British started giving up on colonies.
Yeah.
So
it was long after that.
Yeah, like in the 50s, 60s, 70s,
Correct.
when they discovered oil. By the 40s, they already started giving independence.
Yeah.
So it was not possible for them to go and colonize new countries there.
That's just for information. We booked this place 1 month in advance. So we came outside to get some good clicks with the Burj.
You're such a fucking whore, I love it. Last week and they already best friends.
This is definitely our top rated place, guys, and we 4 had awesome fun here. How was the night, guys?
Super good. It's like perfect Monday. I think every Monday is like.
You wish every Monday should be like this. Come here. It's so difficult to get you all in one frame, please. All 3 corners. That's Dubai, guys. All glam and glitter. So beautiful. चल इकट्ठे जाएंगे चल ना So you see this beautiful hotel and this beautiful revolving door. And I have my stupid friends waiting for me. यार चुप रहे मैं बात कर रही हूँ.
So this whole area now has this Burj Khalifa in the center and all the towers looking at it.
Wow. Yeah, so that's a good thing, right?
So all these buildings from Upar will have that same view like we had right now. Varsha, we were on top of that. There we were. That you can see the pool in the middle.
Yeah.
On the bridge.
Correct.
Train is time pass. I mean, because you have a free ticket, it's okay.
Yeah.
Otherwise
It's like crowded.
कितनी जल्दी पहला दिन बीत गया. Good morning, guys. Right now it's 10 a.m. right here. And sorry we couldn't end the vlog yesterday night. We were so tired because a day before we did not sleep. And this is the time to end today's day in Dubai. And we have 7 more days to go. And
Yesterday night was amazing, man. Like we went to this club, Silavi, and it was amazing.
Good music on Monday. So this is the time, guys. We are gonna say goodbye to you people, and please watch our next vlog, which is going to bring lots of musky coming in our next vlog. If you like our video, please go share, like, and subscribe to our channel. And as we say, whatever makes your soul happy,
do that!